Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to Point to Ponder. Today we'll see the MATLAB Basics 2 and we start with the subscripts. Now A within bracket I comma j means element in ith row and jth column of matrix A. For example, A within bracket 3 comma 4 bracket close indicates element in third row and fourth column of matrix A. Say, for example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 as it is shown. Now this is a 3 row 4 column matrix. Then A3 comma 4 indicates element 12 in this matrix, as you can see. Now you know that there is another way also, and MATLAB can form an array of one long column vector from the columns of original matrix. That is, it can connect all the columns in tandem. A3 comma 4 is basically 12th element of matrix A, and it can be written as A12 and its value is 12 in matrix A incidentally. Next we come to the colon operator. Now this is a very important operator. The expression 1 column 9 is a row vector containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now if we write 50 colon minus 3 colon 25, then it will be, we start with 50, that is the original number, and then minus 3, and then we keep subtracting minus 3 from it. 50, 47, 44, 41, 38, 35, 32, 29 and 26, and next is 23. So we cannot cross 25 because limit which we have given in the command is 25. Similarly, if we write 0 colon pi by 3 colon pi, now that means pi has to be divided by 3, and then we start from 0 and we write 1/3 value and then keep adding this value till you reach the value of pi. So 0, 1.0472. Now this 1.0472 is basically when you divide the value of pi, which is 3.1416 by 3, then it comes out to be 1.0472. Then you add 1.0472 and 1.0472 and you get 2.0944, and when you add 1.0472 and 2.0944, it comes out to be 3.1416. Now since we have given pi as the last limit, so obviously 3.1416. Similarly, we can write down A within bracket 1 colon k comma g. Now it means the first k elements of jth column of A matrix. For example, A 1 colon 3 comma 4 means first 3 elements of fourth column of A, which in our case are 4, 8, 12 if you see the matrix with A which we have defined. Okay. Now if we say sum within bracket A, then bracket 1 colon 3 comma 4 bracket close, then bracket close, and if you sum it up, it will come out to be 24. But then there is another way also. calculate bracket starts A bracket colon comma end. Calculate all elements of the last column of A. Now that is what is end, and obviously the answer will be 24 because last column, as we have seen before also. Sum 1 colon 12 divided by 4. Now that means that you sum it up all the 12 columns and then divide it by 4. All the 4 columns, that is 12 elements, and divide it by 4, and the answer will be 19.5. Now magic function. Say we take any number n, then magic sum for n multiplied by n, magic square. Now that is equal to n cube plus n whole bracket divided by 2. So let's see B matrix. What is magic 4? The MATLAB will generate B is equal to 16, 2, 3, 13, 5, 11, 10, 8, as other two lines they are shown. So now let's apply the formula. It is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 plus 4, that is n cube plus 4 is equal to 68 divided by 2, that is 34. Okay, and now if you sum it up, any line, or you can say any row, then it will come out to be 34. So C is equal to B colon comma 1, 3, 2, 4. Now if we want to reorder the elements, that is 1 and 4 remain the same, but we want to place the column 3 in 2's place and 2's in 3 place. So it means reorder the elements of each column in the order 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay, and it will then produce C is equal to as it is shown. Okay, so this is what all I wanted to say today, and as I told you in the first lecture on the MATLAB basics, that you must practice this and master it till it becomes your second nature. Only then you will learn. And as I repeat it again, that the students, they want to learn everything in one go and hurriedly, and that is where they confuse, and then they say, oh, what is this expression and what does this mean, and I want to solve this problem and it cannot be solved, and things like that. Okay, wish you the best. Thank you very much.